Finally I found you, and in that moment everything in my life began to make sense. For so long I was walking through life not knowing what I was missing. I smiled, I lived, I dreamed, yet somewhere deep inside my heart was waiting, meeting for a love that felt real, a connection that felt safe, a presence that felt like home. And then you appeared, not loudly, not dramatically, but gently, sincerely, and at exactly the right time.